So, Hilary, what is this module about?
It's about clowning.
Can you talk about it?
Oh, yeah, of course.
كلاون هي كتير بارتي موجودة فينا، بس نحن هيك أوقات بنخبيها إنه المجتمع لازم يكون كتير هيك.
وقت اللي بلشنا بالصفوف كنت واو. الكلاون is a very ethical person. He's very smart.
like فيه يعمل حركة كتير صغيرة بس if he has a lot of intention بيوصل الفكرة والضحك كمان.
Clowning really taught me how to take everything that I don't like about myself and play with it.
We're looking at developing clown personas, clown gags, clown action, and with this group specifically, I was looking to make opportunities for them to be out on the street and to play with people on the street. So the first week we look at games and exercises that will help us with spontaneity, with play, with developing a presence on stage. The second week we look at games and exercises which are more about finding the games between clowns or with an object, with the space. And the third week we find problems with those objects, problems with costumes and exercise and games that develop those.
هلأ صار عندي منخار أحمر.
I really enjoyed the streets because we used all the opportunities of the people and the different businesses we saw around us, and I really enjoy improvising with real life. So our first intervention was us walking and making a pretend car and going through the McDonald's drive-thru and grabbing one fry, like asking them for one fry. And they were just looking at us like we were really weird, and they're like, just wait for your turn. And we said, we really need a fry. So they gave us one fry, and then we cut it into little tiny pieces, and we ate it each person. And the employees were so entertained. All the people who were delivery driving stopped to watch us eat the fry before they got their deliveries and went to do their job. So it was fun to see one guy, he like came and went back and he saw us like all evening and he was laughing at us the whole time.
عم ننط من شارع لشارع، عم نلتقي ببعض، عم نتحرك بطريقة غريبة بتفاجئ العالم.
بالأيام العادة إنه بتكون أنت عبالك تعمل هيدا الكونكشن مع الناس، بس إنه بيكون في عندك كادر معين بقى when you have the red nose بتحس حالك إنه أنت أقرب للناس وعم تسمعهم أكتر.
People love when you smile at them. People love when you talk to them from a place of genuinity and vulnerability and the authenticity. They won't shut you out for it. And that to me was not easy to discover on my own. Clowning really taught me how to do that.
كنا وصلنا على بدارو وصار في حدا عم بيعبي مي للبناية. So okay, we are clowns, we help people. So رحنا صرنا نسحب النبريش معهم، والنبريش كله زفت ووسخ وكل شيء. فبيجي ولد من الأولاد اللي بالشارع عم بيبيعوا محارم، بيجي بيعطيني محارم. قلت له بس أنا كلاون ما معي مصاري. عم إجا قال لي خديها ببلاش.
A clown is very naked in front of you. So you don't have to put on the red nose and the costume in order to play with people, in order for them to open up for you. You can just take the essence of that and apply it onto your day-to-day life, and that is where clowning lies.
It's because it enables us to experience the world differently. It can bring people together in laughter and pleasure. It can help us laugh at ourselves.
كتير بحاجة إنه بكل شيء عم نعيشه إنه نهرج.
And it shows us we can be serious about life but never solemn.
بتصير تعرف تلعب مع situations اللي هي قدامك.
وهلا الكلاون هو ولد صغير فكلنا بحاجة نكون بهذا الجزء. شو السؤال؟
Why is clowning important?
بعرفش أنا أعمل مقابلة على الضغط يا زلمة. To be a clown is not an easy thing. بيتطلب منك كثير قوة وتركيز ومقدرة على إنك تفلت كل شيء، ومثل ما بتقلنا هيلاري إنه to be stupid إنه to be stupid is a good thing as a clown.
How can I accept that I'm not perfect? How can I accept my mistakes and my mishaps as a normal human being? And how can I laugh at them? How can I love them? Once you understand that your mistakes can be turned into something beautiful, you start to erase that fear of doing them, and then you start to be more free, and then you start to be more authentic. And that's when you start to connect with people more and with yourself as well.